In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine objects in Blender the right way, whether you want to simply join multiple objects into one, clean up overlapping geometry, or use a Boolean Union for a more solid result. This is a super useful Blender skill for modeling props, characters, hard surface assets, and basically anything where you want better control over your scene. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Blender tips and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, go into Object mode and select the objects you want to combine. Make sure you pay attention to the active object, because the last object selected is the one Blender treats as the main object. That active object controls the combined object's name, origin point, and in many cases the modifiers that carry over. So if you want one object to be the final parent or main mesh, select it last. Once your objects are selected, press Ctrl+J. This is Blender's join command, and it combines all of the selected objects into a single object data block. At this point, they're joined, but they're not necessarily fused together. They're simply one object now, which is why the next steps matter. Before you join, it's also smart to check the modifiers on each object. If the objects have different modifiers, Blender will only keep the modifiers from the active object after the join. So if one object has a subdivision modifier and another doesn't, make sure the correct object is active before you combine them. After joining, press Tab to enter edit mode. Then press A to select everything. Now press M and choose Merge by Distance. This is really important if your objects overlap or if you want to clean up vertices that are sitting on top of each other. Joining objects does not automatically weld the mesh together, so Merge by Distance helps remove duplicate geometry where the meshes touch. If you want a true volumetric combination, especially for solid objects, you can use a Boolean modifier instead. Add the Boolean modifier to the object you want to keep, then choose Union as the operation. Union tells Blender to fuse the shapes together and remove internal geometry, which is perfect for creating a single solid form. Once you're happy with the result, apply the modifier to make the change permanent. That way, the combined shape becomes part of the mesh and is no longer just a live modifier effect. And if you ever need to separate things again, go back into Edit mode, select the mesh, and press P, then choose Separate by Loose Parts. Blender will split the object back into individual pieces based on disconnected geometry. One final pro tip: if you join objects with different materials, Blender will keep all of those materials in the new object. You can check the Material Properties tab to see the full material list and manage them from there. So to quickly recap, select your objects, make sure the right one is active, press Ctrl+J to join, clean up the mesh with Merge by Distance if needed, or use a Boolean Union for a true solid merge. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Blender tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.